What are you doing? Hey. What are you crazy pups doing? What's up, guys? We are back for yet another episode, and today we're going to discuss something pretty cool that's happening on the channel that you guys are going to be pretty excited about, so stay tuned. That's right, I said it, something new coming to the channel, and it is going to be a new build, and we are stoked. It's Saturday right now. We are going to pick it up tomorrow, and it's going to be sweet. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Right now, it's, like I said, Saturday night. Sunday, we'll be going to get it, and just getting everything set up. I got Justin, that you've seen in previous videos with the Audi S4. He's got his truck, and I'm borrowing a buddy's trailer, and we're going to go pick this car up. Super excited. It is a running car. I'm picking it up for a ridiculously cheap amount. I'm paying $500 for the car, but it will not stay that way. It will be getting gutted, and it will be a purpose-built, I shouldn't say purpose-built drag car, because I'm not quite sure if I want it to be streetable or not, but that's further down the line when we make those decisions. But it will be pretty nasty, and I have some big plans for it, so I'm pretty excited. So tomorrow at about 1 o'clock, Justin's gonna pick me up in his truck, and we're gonna go to pick up the trailer. And once we do that, we'll head down into Kentucky where the car is and pick it up. So it should be a fairly easy turnaround. Just gonna go down there, purchase the car from just a private sale. Go there, pick it up, get the title, and head back. So it'll be about a 5-hour round trip or so, and that'll be it. So let's snap over to tomorrow and get ready to go get this thing. All right, so it is the next day, Sunday. I got Justin with me, got his truck so kindly, and we're at my buddy Rory's house. He's not here right now, but he had the trailer set up and ready for us to go. So we got the car trailer ready to go pick it up, and we're just hooking up the last things, and we'll be ready to go. I'm super excited. Can't wait to go pick it up. Can't wait for you guys to see what it is. And yeah, so let's get to it. We're about 30 minutes out from getting the car. Drive's going good so far. Everything's doing well. Truck's holding up. You doing good with the trailer?
Yeah. But all these 18-wheelers are pissing me off.
Yeah. A little bit of traffic. We had some construction earlier, but we're almost there. And you guys will get to see what we're getting. That's right, we picked up a Mazda RX8 and it is in pretty decent shape. It's got a couple body panels that just need some attention, but I plan on just buffing it and cleaning it up real nice. Just needs a real good clean. Sorry if it's a bumpy screen right now because we're on a road that has all the potholes and bumps. I know a lot of people have guessed it already. I just didn't want to let the cat out of the bag, but it will be an LS turbo car. I'm trying to figure out what trans I want to go with right now. I'm stuck between like a 4L80, so I could drive it like on the street if I wanted to, or just slap a turbo 400 in there and send it. So, Jesus, this road is like awful. But yeah, so pretty excited. It's back there.
Oh yeah.
It is back there. So we're pretty excited about it. It actually had a bunch of warranty work done, so it has like all new like control arms, A-arms,
lowers,
brand new pads and rotors. Like the wheels on it are like, I'm not a fan, but they got like new tires on them. So the underneath of the car is super clean. It just needs like a good cleaning inside and out. Probably throw my polisher at it and buff the paint, bring it back to life a little bit, and then yeah, we're gonna start tearing stuff apart and getting things rolling. Look at her. You excited to rip this thing apart with me?
yeah.
Obviously black. It's got full leather interior, heated seats. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. It's actually like got a bunch of stuff, and the fact that it had a bunch of warranty work done, I think it said new fuel pump and stuff like that, which that'll all come out anyway. But the fact that like all the suspension components are in pretty good shape is awesome. So, and brand new. I mean, I looked under there, they're brand new. So they just had warranty work done, so not bad. A few cosmetic blemishes, but we can get most of them out. And like I said, it's just going to be a drag car anyway, so still going to send it. All right, here's a better look at it. We're just stopping to get food real quick. Front fender needs to be replaced, but I know I can get one of those cheap off the pages. And rear bumper, it's missing those exhaust housings, but I honestly just might, you know, I don't know, find another valence for underneath. I don't know. Who knows? But yeah, here she is. Pretty excited to start getting into it, I'll tell you that. There it is. Like I said, it's filthy. So once it gets cleaned up, we'll get some more footage of it. But yeah, you hungry, dude?
Starving.
Yeah, let's go grab some fucking grub. All right, so we made it back last night. It was late, it was dark, but I was exhausted. I didn't have really much energy to film. I would have been very like monotone and tired, but the car is back and it's in the garage. I can't express to you guys how excited I am to start this build. I hope you guys are. It's gonna be a fun one. I know a lot of you guys subscribed from the previous Mazda build that I did, and this one's gonna be a blast. We're gonna get right into it. This car is gonna get completely transformed. I'm gonna start off by cleaning it really, really well. It's disgusting. The person that had it didn't take really good care of it. There's a few body panels, like I said, that are jacked up, but I found some parts on the part out pages that are good. I mean, I could buy a whole front clip for this thing for next to nothing. But yeah, here it is. It's in the garage. Good to go. It's gonna get extremely deep cleaned, and you guys have seen what I can do with my buffer. So I'm gonna clean this up and clay bar it, decontaminate the paint, and then I'm gonna put my buffer to it and polish the whole car, get it looking good, and then we'll take care of the body panels at some point. Not really concerned right now. The first thing I want to do is start getting things ripped out, like the motor, the trans, all the wiring, clean the inside out, get it looking really good, and yeah, start posting stuff up for sale on the pages. So like I said, if you're interested in anything in the car, let me know. I will let you know a detailed list of what I am going to get rid of. But this will be fun. Like, yeah, this fender needs to get completely replaced because it's just that whole thing is just like messed up right there. So I'll just replace the fender, and I'll probably just end up doing fender bumper and the other fender just to make them all nice again. And then the rear bumper, after looking at it further, like, it's missing these exhaust housings, but the whole bumper right here is like kind of loose, so it's probably missing some like clips or something, I don't know, but we'll look at it more. Not really that worried about it, but definitely needs a good clean and buffing. But like I said, this car is just going to be strictly a, like, go to the track, hammer the shit out of it, and bring it back to the house. So the Camaro will still be here. It will be my daily, and keep that nice. This one's just going to get built to race and have a good time in. Should be a fun time. I'll get more in depth of what we're going to do to the car and what engine we're going to go with and all that good stuff. Alright, then here's the engine and everything in here. All this, like, I'm going to take all this stuff out. Everything's going. All the fuse box, the wiring harness, the engine, the trans. I'm going to clean the whole engine bay out and get it looking real good. And then, yeah, there's going to be a giant V8 in there with a massive single turbo, probably, somewhere, once I figure out where I'm going to put it. But, yeah, this is going to be a fun build. So, like I said, engine and trans is good for sale. The trans is good. The engine runs. I think it just has some ignition coil issues. But, I mean, that's not affecting the engine. It's just ignition coils, I think, need to be replaced, which is a common problem on these anyway. So, like I said, if you're interested in anything, let me know. I'm probably going to sell the motor as a whole, fully dressed, so someone can just put a new engine into their car if theirs blows up or whatever. So just let me know. But that's going to do it for this episode, guys. I hope you guys are excited as I am, and this is going to be a fun build, a long one, and it'll be lots of great content for you guys to see. So make sure you hit the like button on this video. Make sure you subscribe to tune into all the episodes that are going to be coming on this car, let alone all the other ones that we normally do. And that'll be it. So we'll see you guys later.